today with Chef Pachi, the best truffles ever, and they are so easy. Half of this video is going to be muted. There's not much more to say. That they're healthy, delicious, filled with nuts, will not increase your blood sugar or create glucose spikes. They're amazing. We're going to use dark chocolate. Dry orange slices are sweet on their own. You wouldn't believe it. They are amazing. They add a little bit of tartness. They add an aroma that is light from the orange oil naturally in the slices. We are going to use a lot of pistachios. Unsweetened cranberries. These are real delicious cranberries, and they are not so tart. All we have to do is process everything, melt the chocolate, place everything into the chocolate, mix, and then create balls. You can do them with a spoon, you can do them with a small ice cream scoop. If you have a tiny one, it'll be better. If you have a larger one, you can cut them in half like I show in the video. That's it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. It's fantastic and you'll see it step by step how it works. A tip on melting the chocolate is if you're using larger pieces like these, then cut them, because not all microwaves will melt them at the same time, and it's better to have them small. Start with 1 minute, then put your fork inside and look if they're ready and shiny, even though they look whole like this. Check this out. They melt immediately. If you overheat them, they become very dry. So look at the shine of this absolutely beautiful chocolate that we have used. As you mix the warmer pieces of chocolate, they melt the ones that are almost melted, and this creates the perfect chocolate. It was actually a chocolate that was sent to me. And I even decided to start making lots of recipes with the chocolate. Here are all the nuts, the orange, the cranberries, and all going in together into the chocolate like we just said. And to make it clear, there is no advertising payment I have received for this video. I just use these delicious chocolates and I'm trying many of them. Mixing, just mixing, and then we go into the scoop stage, which is taking each one of our scoops, deciding which one we're going to use, and then scooping out some perfect little balls. That's it. There you have your delicious truffles. These are an amazing snack for kids to take to school, for parents to keep in their backpacks. I mean, they are delicious, they are great, they don't cause glucose spikes like I told you, and they are filling and will keep you from feeling hungry after you eat them. They are beautiful. You can roll them on pistachios, you can roll them on dark cocoa, you can roll them on many other different kinds of foods if you want to, or you can just leave them like this. I normally leave them like this so that everybody chooses, and I have an extra little bowl on the side of each of the different toppings. I have coconut, I have a little bit of cocoa, I have some powdered sugar, which is something you can't add ahead because it's going to eat it all up. It kind of disappears. I have some delicious pistachio, and it's fun for everyone to put their truffle in there and then realize they have a delicious snack. Not knowing it's super healthy, great for you, and it's also delicious. With no sugar added, they are fantastic. So enjoy the rest of the video, and if you subscribe and ring the bell, you'll get noticed when I put on new videos. I usually don't add videos constantly, but when there are special occasions and I feel they merit having amazing videos, then I publish a lot of them. So it's great to ring the bell and be notified. Chef Pachi, healthy, delicious, and amazingly easy to make foods that everyone at home can have and make to enjoy. Like I say, delicious diets are sustainable diets. And I don't mean diet as to lose weight, although it works. I mean eating habits. Chef Pachi.